This is an easy micro job website to earn money. The withdrawal threshold is $10, so you can easily do it and withdraw your $10 a day, because when you look at this, you see $1 jobs, $2 jobs, surveys. So before you finish it in a day, you'll be able to make up to $10, which is the withdrawal threshold, and you withdraw it. Without wasting time, let me introduce you to this micro tax website called jobboy.com, where you can make money by doing little tasks. So simply go to Google, type in jobboy.com, sign up with your email and password, then you log into the website to start doing little tasks for earning. Let me sign into my own dashboard. Signing in with my Google account. Now I'm on my dashboard, so let me show you things you can do here to make money. There are micro jobs. You can create a job, like you have campaign, you want to promote your Facebook or you want to promote your Twitter, depending on TikTok, depending the one you want to promote. Then you can create a job to promote them. They have affiliate program, which is very good for whoever that want to join the affiliate program. People who subscribe to Jobboy using your link will be your referral. When your referral deposits or complete a job, you earn a commission of 5% of the amount for each transaction. This means you can earn money while you sleep. You earn crypto for withdrawal. They pay in crypto. Once you are verified, you can withdraw your money. These are the list of micro jobs you can do here. 0.04, 0.04, $1. So there are a lot of jobs. They have a lot of jobs. You can do social media, subscription, data annotation, download, write an article, get members, get an honest review, CEO ranking, surveys. So there are so many things you can do here to earn money. It's a legit website that everybody can work. No matter where you're living, you can work there. So how to do jobs here is you find job, click on find job. It will take you to this place where you can start working. These are the jobs you can do. Before you finish this job, you see that you'll be able to make up to $10 or more in a day. So it's a very good website for everybody that wants to work. And it's very easy, because things you do for fun, you can do it here to earn money. Let's just use one to do an example. We just have to use one job here to do an example. Let's just use this, tweet and get paid. You just click on it, because I want to take you step by step how you're going to do this job here. And you check it's worldwide, so everybody can do it. When you click there, get online help with at jobberboy.com pay #crypto #bitcoin. So click here to tweet, then you come here, let's go there, you click there to tweet. It will redirect you to your Twitter, and I'm just using this one as an example. Alright, once your Twitter is open, you retweet it and you go back to Jobberman. Let's go back to Jobberman. Once you go back to Jobberman, you click do this job and reserve seat. Once you click on it, it has 7 minutes to submit proof. So you have to press on this finish this task, because you've done it after completing it there. So they award you where you check your balance. You come to this place and check your balance. The link to this website is in the description below, so you can go there, click on it, register and start earning money. Thanks for sticking to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be updated. Thank you.